Good afternoon. It's Saturday afternoon here for me. I want to talk to you guys about trailer tires. Now, this will work for any small trailer. It can be a jet ski trailer, a equipment trailer, a lawnmower trailer, whatever small trailer, especially like the trailers you buy from Tractor Supply, Lowe's, and a lot of those trailers have those one little tires on them. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Let me get back over here. And so we'll start out with these tires. So I had an idea. And I can't take full credit for this because there's a guy I read on some forum somewhere, and I don't remember his name. And forgive me, sir, if you watched my video, but I just don't remember what your name was. But he gave me the idea. And so I went from there, and I kind of made it my own. So these tires you buy, I want to turn this around here for you and show you. All these tractor tires you buy, or trailer tires you buy from Tractor Supply and a lot of other places, have those 5 lug rims, and they look just like this. And on those rims, you'll see a 4.80 by 12. So that's a 12-inch rim. And you get these tires on here, they're called bias-ply tires. Now, these tires are good, and they're okay if you don't want to tow any more than about 50 miles an hour. Now, this tire here, if you can see, is severely worn in the center. There is no tread left at all. Well, I want you to take a guess how many miles this tire has on it. Now, this is at highway speeds about 75 miles an hour, towing that jet ski trailer. I went to Mississippi and back, which is about, I think it's about 800-mile round trip, something like that. But this tire was brand new when I put it on there. This tire has 800 miles on it, and it's already completely worn out in the center. I mean, it has almost no tread, flat as it can be. That's because it's a bias-ply tire. It's not meant to be on the highway. It's a small tire meant to be on, 50 mile an hour max, not on, meant for interstate speeds. So what did I do? I thought, okay. So after reading and looking, I didn't really find any videos on it. I read the internet, scoured the internet, and I thought, well, I seen some guy try something like this, and I thought, okay. So what I did was I went online and I bought me some car tires. And now these tires here, tire rim both at Tractor Supply is like $79. If you buy just the tire, I think it's about $40-some. And that tire again will only last you about 800 to 1,000 miles on the highway. So if you don't go any farther than that, you'll be replacing a tire every 1,000 miles. Now, I went online. And I'm going to walk you over here as I talk to you. I went online and I bought me some car tires. Now, I got these on eBay. You can get them on Amazon. You can actually go to your local tire shop and get them. It does not matter. I mounted these myself. And so first of all, I'm going to show you the side of this here. So this is a, here it is, 155 80 or 12. So it's a little bit taller and a little bit wider than that tire in there. And it still fits on my fenders just fine. And this is a 6-ply radial tire. That tire in there is what's called a bias-ply tire. And you can see it's on the exact same type of rim that we just talked about inside there. I put these tires on this rim myself, and I went completely down to Orlando and went fishing. When I left here, my home, my truck had 31,100 and some odd change miles on it. When I came back, it had 32,282 miles. So it's got a little over 1,100 miles on these tires. Now I'm going to show you something. You cannot tell those tires have even been used. And that is cruising about 75 to 77 miles an hour on the interstate, pulling these jet skis. All the way to Florida, all the way back, and to the lake several times and back. And that has got just like it's new tread on it. You can't tell they're worn. That's because these tires are meant for highway speeds. Now, so if you're looking for these tires and you're trying to figure out what you want for your small trailer, what you want to do is first of all look at your load rating. Now, I already did that. These tires here have, and I can put a link for these tires in the description down below. But these tires here have a load rating of 980 pounds per tire. So these jet skis are 600 pounds each. So if you look at it, each side, your jet skis 1,300 pounds, and a trailer another probably max 300 pounds. So you're looking at 1,800 pounds total, or I'm sorry, 1,250 pounds or so for the jet skis, and another 300 pounds. So you're looking at about 1,550, 1,600 pounds max. These tires have almost 1,900 pounds capacity for both tires. So this is more than enough. And I filled them up according to what it said here. And so these tires are a little wider. Now, only thing you want to watch on these is they are a little taller. They're a little bit wider than those tires in there. So you want to make sure you have room back here, right? And this trailer you will. If I can get on this small jet ski trailer, you can put it on any of those small trailers. It'll fit on any trailer. The only problem is if you have a fender like this, someone had taken this fender off before and they had moved it in. So I had to cut it loose here and back here and move the fender out so the tire would actually go up in the fender and not rub here on the edge. The other fender was fine, but this one for some reason someone had moved it, but now it's fine. 1,100 miles on these tires. You can't tell they've been worn at all. I want to share this with you, and these tires were $48 a piece. So you're talking $100 a piece for tires. It's probably going to last, from what I can see so far, I'll be able to tow these tires on the highway speeds. I probably get 30,000 miles on these tires. Them in there, you get about 1,000 miles. So I just want to show you that. So that was just a quick little video. I hope that you got something out of it, and I hope that you can save money. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And if you haven't already, please like, share, or subscribe to this channel, because I do videos like this all the time. I've been a little slow lately because I've had a lot going on. Went on vacation and quite a few other things. But I'm back on track now. I'll be putting out a couple of videos a week like I did before, maybe 3. But I hope this video helped you. And if you have any questions about these tires, where I got them, how much they cost, I already told you. But I'll try to put a link on these. I think I got these on eBay. But Amazon will have something just like it. Just look for a 6-ply or an 8-ply radial tire. Don't look for a bias-ply. Those bias-ply tires are what comes with Tractor Supply tires and other companies that sell these small trailers. And you will not get any longevity out of them at all, unless you drive 50 miles an hour everywhere you go. Now, if you're just towing down the road and back, those tires are fine. They'll last you a while. But if you travel on the highway any bit at all, and you get past 50, 55 miles an hour, that tire is going to wear super, super fast. Hope this video helped you. God bless you. Have a good day.